So good afternoon. Here we are again in the Mango Man Homestead orchard, and I want to show you the other thing that we've done here recently. So I'll pan down here, and what you're looking at there is a trunk. And then if you look over here, there's another trunk that has been cut off. All right. So what these are is these used to be coconut cream mangoes. I think I told people before, and if they've been following our Facebook, that we like the fruit of coconut cream, but the tree is too large for our orchard. It doesn't fit our scheme of growing small trees that are productive. So coconut cream, we can't allow it to get to the optimal size where it likes to bloom and set fruit. So we had to move on. So we, instead of wasting the whole root system, because it has a very nice root system right there, and so what we did is we cut this off about 2 weeks ago, and then as soon as it makes out new sprouts, we will top work it. We still haven't decided to which variety these will be top worked. We are thinking Nectar of Neptune and maybe Pina Colada, maybe some other of our smaller stature trees that we will fit into the orchard. So it pains me to have wasted 4 or 5 years on growing this coconut cream, but you know, we got to move forward so that we can get trees like that, which can produce us something. So there we go. Sorry to cut off the coconut cream, but we have to move forward. Thank you very much.